What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be removing the rear door panel on this 2017 Ford Explorer. Nothing's wrong with it. I just need to do some cleaning in there. So if anybody's trying to change your speaker or having some electrical issues and you want to know how to remove your rear door panel, that's how you do it. The process is the same for the rear right and the rear left. I'm not going to touch the front because I don't need to touch it. So there's two screws over here. 1, 2, not sure what size they are, but right when I find out I'll let you guys know. So this is the size that fits in there, 932. To remove this piece, it's pretty tight, but if you get a flathead screwdriver and just stick it over there and you just kind of move it out, you'll just hear one pop, and then you could just rip the rest of it off by hand. It's just held on by clips. Just be careful not to be too aggressive. And now we need to remove this where the switch is. Get a flathead screwdriver and slowly start prying it up. And if you feel like you're going to destroy your leather, tape up the screwdriver so you don't destroy the leather. And just go slowly, just in case you hit a bad spot. At least you won't break all the clips. And when you feel like it's out enough, just pull it out by hand. Alright, so this piece is really fragile, but it's also in really tight. So once you get the clips out from this side, to remove the other clips, you're gonna have to lift from this side, but it'll kind of start folding in. So try to get some grip on this side also while you're lifting up from here so it doesn't just snap. So once you pull it hard enough from here, you kind of want to hold on to this spot so it doesn't break off. Just pull it out just like that. There's a harness for the window. I'm just gonna go ahead and unplug it. All right, bingo, found another screw there. Kind of looks like a 10mm. I could be wrong, either a 10 or a 12. But we're gonna go ahead, try to remove it with a 10, see if it comes out. And then this should be it for the bottom. And then for the top, I gotta figure out if I need to remove any more trim pieces. All right, y'all, after removing this screw, what you wanna do is behind the door handle, there's gonna be this little plastic piece. Put a flathead screwdriver in there, pops out, and surprise, we have another 10mm screw in there. So we're gonna go ahead, remove that. All right, guys, really easy. So once you remove that screw, what you gotta do is work your way around the edges with your finger and start ripping the trim, and the door panel will just come off. I'm gonna slide it back on because I screwed up a little bit, but you just take your fingers around the edges and start pulling, and then you feel the clips coming off. Starting from the bottom is the best. This side's really easy, comes off easy. Don't worry about this. There was a screw there. Just watch out for cables. Make sure you're really protective of this. That's how you remove the door panel. It's really easy. Like I said, be really careful for this. This part is really important. You don't want to break that. And also, don't worry about the speaker. It's mounted there, no wires to remove. Only wire to remove is for the window switch. And if you can, the best would be starting from this side and ripping all the clips off, and then going to the bottom and then coming up to that side. And when you remove the door panel, pull it from the bottom first and then lift up. And you want to lift up till you can't see this piece in the hole anymore. So this piece has to come out of the hole. That means you can lift up and then take the door panel off. And make sure you put it on something so it's just not dangling on the cable. Like I have it on the brick there, so not all the weight's on the cable. It has some flex to it, so we're okay over there. All right, guys, I'm done cleaning up. I got the door panel back off. Everything is functional so far. I tested the window, it works. I'm gonna leave it open for a bit.